This is the Ring Smart Lighting Bridge. The bridge lets you group Ring Smart Lights together and receive notification whenever motion is detected. It can support about 50 Ring Smart Lighting devices, and it works with Alexa. This is what it looks like inside the box. There's the Ring Bridge. It's compact and tiny. It measures about 2.3 by 2.4 inches. It comes with this wall mount, so you're able to put the bridge up on your wall. Easy to install with the tools provided in the box. Here's the toolbox. It comes with the screws for the wall mount, and it also comes with a USB power supply. I'm plugging the cable into the power supply, and then the other end goes into the ring. After you plug it into the outlet, the Ring Bridge turns on and blinks blue. I'm going into the App Store to download the Ring app. Once the app is downloaded, I create an account. Then I follow the steps to set up a Ring device. For the bridge, I click on Smart Lighting. I make sure the bridge is blinking blue, then I click on this. Once that's done, I follow the rest of the steps to complete the setup. Overall setup was very easy.